Place your Sustee into your potted plant and make sure it's inserted down to the level indicated. Give your plant a good soak and wait 10 to 20 minutes for your Sustee to change colour. Your Sustee will absorb moisture at the root level, just like your plant's roots. As the water is absorbed, the indicator gradually turns from white to blue. You will only need to re-water again once your Sustee turns back to white. So leave your Sustee in the pot to know when to water again. If you have already watered your plant, then you can prime your Sustee first by placing it into a container of water and waiting for your Sustee to change to blue. Then you can place it back into your already watered potted plant. Sustee comes in 3 different sizes and 2 chic colours, so you can choose the perfect option for your plants.